service, Jolie speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order for my lunch.
Sure, ma'am. Can I get your name and your room number, please?
Yes, I'm Shara May Candano from room 245.
Thank you, ma'am. Can I get your order?
Yes, I want to order authentic Italian pasta, Asian tuna salad cracker bites, and for my drinks, I wanted to order mango juice.
Okay, ma'am. For your drinks, ma'am, would you like to try our fresh pineapple juice? And also, would you like I would like to suggest for you a dessert slice of chocolate cake roll.
Okay, I would like to try those two.
Sure, ma'am. Is there anything else you want to add, ma'am?
No, that's all.
Okay, ma'am. To repeat your order, you ordered one authentic Italian pasta, one Asian tuna salad cracker bites, and instead of mango juice, you replace it with pressed pineapple juice and you add slice of chocolate cake roll. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am? You would like to settle it through credit cash or charge it to your guest account?
I'll pay it cash.
Okay, charge for how much, ma'am?
1,000 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order will be delivered to room 245 after 10 minutes. Thank you and have a nice day. Hi, room service. I'm Josie Barcoma, your room service attendant. Can I come in?
Yes, please.
Where would you like to put your order, ma'am?
Just put it on my table.
Okay, ma'am. Order, ma'am. For your appetizer, we have Asian tuna cracker bites. And for your main course, we have an authentic Italian pasta. And for your dessert, we have a sliced chocolate cake roll. And for your drinks, you have ordered fresh pineapple juice. Do you want me to pour the water for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your change in your receipt, ma'am. Can I have your signature, please?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.